Godswill Paper Machinery Company Limited was founded in 1987. We produce paper machines and recovery equipment through excellent professional technology, business indicator of continuous innovation, decades of efforts and long-term independent development, excellent products and service, and are praised by customers. By integrating professional technological teams, every department of Godswill strictly faces the challenge of speedy technological development, including businesses, designs, factory affairs, and quality control. Every department continually makes progress in development and innovation to provide customers with the best solutions and create the most satisfied target. Progressive development, excellent process. Since 1996, Godswill has introduced advanced computer auxiliary equipment and has automated ordering, so the capability of development and design have been significantly improved. By the use of MIS Computer Auxiliary Production System, network connection, and electronic component database, the assembly information becomes more reliable. International certifications like CE and UL enhance the competitiveness of product safety and sales. We insist on quality commitment, never stop studying and innovating in every process, introduce advanced mechanical equipment, and fully carry out modular design. We are capable of making development independently to make product quality more stable and reliable. We can produce products as per customer requirements, including assembly line, test line, painting line, and shipment of finished products. And establishing a professional warehouse management system. Outstanding innovation and perfect quality. Godswill fully uses its R&D advantage to continuously improve product quality. Our full range of products include GB baling machines, like GBTR professional recycling equipment, GBCL plastic recycling equipment, GB 1111F large type baling machines, GB 1108F medium type baling machines, GB 7575F small type baling machines, GB 0505F mini-type baling machines. These machines are marked by the full automatic baling and the automatic packing functions and can enhance baling density. The GF series are the automatic pre-feeders for the automatic flexo and die cutters, which feature hydraulic paper feeding and tilting functions and can accelerate work efficiency and highly reduce man-hours. It's safe and reliable. For example, the full automatic pre-feeder includes GAF-B for bottom printers and GAF-T for top printers, as well as the semi-auto type GF series. The GS series are the stitching machines and gluers for box making, which can totally improve productivity and box making quality. These machines include GS202 and 5S semi-auto stitching machine, GSG 910 semi-auto gluer, GSS 600L high-speed semi-auto stitcher gluer, and GTS twin-head semi-auto stitcher. By using the GSH 1500 shredder, you don't need to move waste corrugated board, saving manpower and enhancing efficiency. After compressing and baling the shredded corrugated board, the recycling value is also enhanced. Godswill can provide professional design plan and the most professional and complete service and inquiry according to different models and factory installation spaces. Professional and trustful, worldwide reputation. Godswill will adhere to the consistent professional dedication and better attitude to supply high quality and superior mechanical equipment and create sustainable quality commitment and more satisfactory service, and will persist in the 6 business concepts of German creativity and Japanese spirit. Our highest quality reputation has been widely affirmed by agents all over the world. We have sales networks in 68 countries, and our enterprise vision is to make our products become the leading brand throughout the world.